All right, today we're going to be sampling blocks and I'm going to be explaining tubs as well. Just like all feed, you're looking for a lot. So hopefully when you're looking for your feed samples, you're going to have a pallet of blocks to sample. And like all feed, you need 10 blocks to sample. So that's what you're looking for. So hopefully in the retail area, you've got half a ton or a ton full of blocks, and that's what you're going to sample. There's two methods to doing sampling blocks. You can use a chisel and hammer method. That's where you're going to be taking off a chunk of the block as well as a drill to drill it. So that's what you're doing. To use a chisel and hammer, what you're going to do, take this plastic off. You're going to put your chisel right here on the edge, about an inch in. You're going to try to drill or have that chisel come off about an inch below. So you're just going to hit that with your hammer. That chunk's going to fall off, and that's what you're going to put in your sample bag. To use a drill, that's the same method. You've got to find 10. So there's a few things you can do with that. One thing is you've got to have a sample collection container. Most everybody has a sample bag that they use. What I've done is I've cut down one edge. So this gives you something for your block to sit on. So you raise your block, put your sample bag there. Then when you drill it, all your material is going to fall in your sample bag. We do have another apparatus, and I'll show that a little bit later. So when you have your drill, what you need, your drill bit needs to be at least an inch in diameter. So that's what you're looking for there. This auger bit works well for us. It's one of the best ones we found. You can use a spade bit. They do produce a little bit more heat and they get dull very quickly, so an auger bit's your best bet. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you're sampling halfway into your block. So to do that, you put your drill, put your bit on your block, you look about halfway, and what I've done is I've marked that with a piece of inspection tape. That way when I'm drilling the block, I know when to stop. Okay? So from there, you're going to take your knife out, and cut your plastic away. This opens up so you don't get any plastic in your drill bit. Have your sample container underneath. I'm going to use this other one. This is a container sampling device that we had made up. So basically you set your block on top of it. When you drill it, all of your material falls in there and you can pour it into your sample container. So again, from here, you've got your drill bit. You're going to go in halfway, go right in the middle. So from there, there's your sample that you can turn in. Take your sample bag and empty that in. That's all there is to it.